Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Madam Rose. This is for October. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So my Madam Rose for October just arrived. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much, Madam Rose. I do need to disclaimer to you guys, this is an 18 and over box. So if you have little ones around or you're not 18, please stop. Don't watch now, watch later when little ones are not around you, that kind of thing, because this is an 18 and older box. I don't know what's going to be in here, so I'm gonna disclaimer it now. This is for adults only, people. If you're not an adult, get out. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what we're going to have. This is now my third box in a row, and the last two, you guys, I really did enjoy. I like the concept of this box. I really do. And I'm a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie, because the theme for this month is bondage. So I'm a little afraid of what's gonna be in here. So let's go ahead and see what is up for the bondage month. So when you open it up, that's what it looks like right on top. They have their card, and it's wrapped in tissue paper where it says thank you with the seal. And then when you open it up, the presentation, oh, it's covered. Hold on. Oh, wow, yes. Just what I was afraid of. Okay. Okay. All right, you guys. So here is the front. That is definitely different. They changed up their card, and that is very pretty. I really like that. I see you. You got a different little thing going on now. That's really cool. So it says, Tracy, we appreciate you reviewing our Grand Rose box. XOXO. And it even has the little handcuffs. So let's see what we're going to have in this box, you guys. So I'm just gonna grab the first thing right on top, which is this guy right here. And I'm not quite sure what this is, but it looks like it might be like some bath salts, bath crystals maybe. Let's see. Don't Trip bath salts. Organic bath salts layered with dry flowers, African black soap, and essential oils. Cleanse, soften, and detox skin. Sulfate free. A Madam Rose LLC product. This is valued at $11.99. That is really pretty. I really like the different dried flowers that are all inside of there as well. So that would look really pretty putting it in as a bath soak, because then you have all the petals that will float on the water. I think that'll look really pretty, you guys. So $11.99 for the first item right there. I don't want to open it because I don't want things being spewed out, and I don't take baths, but I definitely know somebody who will definitely love that. So I'll save that for her. Then the next thing in here, it says Music Flower Eyeliner Cool Black Liquid Matte Eyeliner. So here's this. And this is 24-hour long-lasting waterproof black liquid eyeliner formulated to be anti-sweat and anti-oil. Smooth finish, valued at $8. So let's see here. Oh, it looks kind of like a little calligraphy pin type, like a little ink pot with the little top. So I'm not going to open this because you guys, if you follow me, you know I don't use liquid eyeliner. So I'd rather just hold this off for one of you guys to enjoy. But that is a super cute packaging. That is really cute packaging. So I'll just keep that right in here. All right, you guys, that's valued at $8. So let's keep on moving. We have a hair. It was a long hair. Girl, you got some long hair. And let's see what else. The hair was just an added item. So now we have, it looks like this is going to be like a rope to tie somebody up is what I'm going to think. Tie me up rope. Woven from environmentally friendly, very durable and firm, the soft rope is easy to clean, very sturdy, and also soft to the touch, and it doesn't fade. Valued at $7.49. So you have a really long rope to tie your ass up with. Someone can hog tie you, do whatever they wanted to do. They can tie your ass up. There's that. All right, you guys. So let me see here. Now this is what I was like. Oh, this is what I was imagining when I heard of bondage, was something that looks like this. This is a leather mouth gag. I don't like my mouth to not be working. I mean, just being honest, I don't even think he would want to cover my mouth. But, you know, leather mouth gag. 100% waterproof design. The gag limiter is fully adjustable, suitable for most people, soft and reliable. Size can be adjusted, suitable for most men and women, valued at $15.89. So it does have a long, like you can keep going. So you can definitely adjust that to how wide your face is, and there's that. This is definitely way beyond anything that I would ever try to venture out to, but I love that they have different themes every single month and they're always different. So if it's not something that might be your forte, you can always use the other things, or you can find somebody who is into it and give it to them, I guess. I'm not sure. So then the next item in here, it looks like this. This looks like this would be some stockings. This says Madam Rose stockings. A stretch fit design ensures they snugly hug your feet and do not slip off. A stretch waist also assures you more comfort. Valued at $9.99. That is a really pretty design on there too, though, that you can see. So here's a pair of stockings. So then now we're going to get into the lingerie item for this month. So here are the bottoms. These are really, really super cute. And then the back, so they are thong style, thong, 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 thong. And they're just a really shiny, almost looking like a rubbery type material, but they're not. But they're really, really shiny, and it matches this guy right here. Okay, so let's see here. What do we got here? What are we working with? Okay, now I see. Okay, got it. That is actually really cute. So this part would go over your neck. I won't try these on for you guys, you're welcome. But that part would go over your neck to go down and around. It'll give you a little bit of like flare in between with the little cross X's. How cute! And then you have this the like stitching that goes all the way up the sides. So the whole sides would be exposed. How freaking cute! So then here's the back part, and it has this little stretchy part here. And then it's all black on the back, so it's like a little dress. And again, both sides have the opening, the X's on both sides. So here, see, there we go. So it has this on both sides, so it is definitely stretchy. So this, ooh. Okay, I figured it out. It was untied, and now I fixed it. So later on, I restrung it and I tightened the sides and I tied it. So now it's not like all wah wah wah. So that's how it goes. And I tried it on and it's super cute. Oh, and something I haven't showed you guys yet. Something I think is really cute, okay? You ready? This, my man did. And now I love my hair being up. So there's that. I think this is so cute. This is not my forte right here. This might come in handy at some point, but this is super, super cute. Like, this is super, super cute. This is worth it because you always get the lingerie item. So you're always gonna have some type of a lingerie item with extra goodies as well. So again, even though the bondage part is not something that I'm into, but I'm not, it's just my own opinion. But this little guy here probably will not get used. This I'll give to one of you guys because I don't use liquid liner and I don't take baths, but that would be really nice to sit down and soak, and you know, it's a nice thing for the box. These I think are super, super cute, and I think would look really adorable with this. And then the rope might come in handy at some point. I'll stick it in his nightstand. We'll see what happens. And you still have the pink rose petals all inside there, which I've just been collecting all of them. So that is super cute. So you guys, let me know, what did you think of this theme this month? The bondage scared me. The bondage, it scared me. I wasn't quite sure what I was gonna find in this box, and surprisingly, it's a whole lot better than what I was scared in my head to see. I was so scared. I was like, oh my gosh, they said bondage. I'm like, oh, thinking whips, chains. Came to mind, like, yeah. You know, like from Friday, if you watched, like, was it Friday After Next? When he goes in there to tell him about the notice and all the stuff hanging, and that's what I thought when I thought of bondage. That's what came to my mind. So I was like, oh shit, what the fuck am I getting into? What am I gonna open? But this surprisingly was a very good surprise. It was way better than I anticipated. And again, I am super excited to try on this outfit together. And this is a really cool thing to put in there. And the eyeliner was cool too, but I just don't use liquid. But that's my own personal opinion. And remember, you guys, they're going to start doing profiles so they can start tailoring the items, like the extra items, if they come in different colors or different kinds of material. They're going to have that to offer for you guys, which I think is amazing. So everything in this box will total up to right here. This will be my retail value for everything in this box, you guys. If you want a little bit more about Madam Rose, the company is Madam Rose LLC, and the subscription is called the Grand Rose. It's $34.99, and you will receive a lingerie set and 4 to 5 additional items. Fully size inclusive, offering sizes small to 5X. Each month is a different theme, which I'm totally loving that part of it, you guys. You can visit their website and you can shop additional lingerie, sex toys, beauty, wellness items, that kind of thing that you can get directly from their site. So if you don't want to jump straight to the subscription box, but you might want to buy a few different individual items, you can shop from their store on their website, which they're adding new items all the time. So you can always check back. If you are interested in getting this box, use my code SheCrafty. That'll give you $5 off your first box. So it'll be $29.95 for your very first box, which that is definitely worth it because you're getting lingerie, you're getting stockings, you're getting makeup, you're getting a bath product. There's a lot of stuff in here, you guys. So go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this month's theme? Did you watch my other 2 unboxings? I'm definitely loving this company, you guys. So comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Crafty crew, out.